Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into RBS Mastercard account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.rbs.co.uk. After you come across this official page, click on the login button in the top left corner. Now in this login page, you can choose how you'd like to log in. You can either use your customer number or your card number. In the customer number, you'll have to type in your date of birth that you had entered while creating an account. And if you do not remember it, then you can click on Forgotten Your Login Details link. And when you select the card number option, here you'll have to enter your card number associated with your account. And if you want your device to remember your login, then check the box that says Remember Me. If you don't want it, then uncheck the box. If you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Sign Up Here link. After entering your details, click on the Continue button, then follow through the prompts and fill in the information that is required in order to log in. And that is how you can log into RBS Mastercard account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.